Alright, I'm making a video for me laying on the ground. It's really not that hot, so I don't mind doing it today. Last week, we put fog light bulbs in a Dodge Ram 1500, which is basically nothing to do, ready? Any person can crawl under the car and change the fog light bulbs, and this is how his car was. He wanted super bright fog light bulbs. And then I get a phone call the other day and said, my car is leaking something from right here under the car. And I'm like, he goes, did you guys mess with something when you changed my fog light bulbs? I'm like, there's nothing to mess with. Your fog light bulbs are at the bottom of your bumper. He's like, well, I never had a leak until you guys worked on it. I'm like, yeah? What does that have to do with what I did to your car? So then I'm looking underneath of it and I'm saying, okay, well, this has been like this for a while, which really isn't nothing. And then I said, okay, well, if it's coming out of this hole here, what is above that that's leaking? Well, that would be the radiator. So then I'm out here today and I'm like, let's take a closer look and see. Let's zoom in. Yeah, that's a crack in the radiator. And it goes up behind. See, you follow that? So there's a crack in the radiator. Up there. And hence, there's no leak on the ground now. That's the way it goes. And then there's nothing underneath the hose here. So I'm going to zoom for you guys. There's nothing underneath the hose there. So it looks like the crack starts there. And obviously from the stain, it's been there. Right? See the buildup of the whatever's disgusting inside of his radiator. And then it goes down underneath this bracket, and then you can see it right there. His problem has been there. It's just showed up. Man, this camera view looks good from my angle. How's it look for you guys? So ever since you put my fog light bulbs in, I have a pink. It was a pink fluid. It's a red fluid. I'm like, okay, well, that's typically transmission fluid or power steering fluid, depending. And then he said, well, what should my transmission temperature be? And I'm like, transmission normal operating temperatures without towing or excessively worn out transmissions be 175 degrees on average. And he goes, but it's not really pink like transmission fluid. And I said, okay, then it's probably antifreeze. I'm like, I don't know, dude, I don't have your truck. So you'll have to bring it in so we can look at it. It got nothing to do with us. The fog lights aren't under your hood on your car. They're under your car. We don't even need to open the hood. We just crawl underneath, change the bulbs, and you're in and out. Fog light bulb locations. Radiator location above fog lights. So fog lights, nowhere near your radiator.